Luke Kendziorski here with the Fox & Fogarty real estate team. Outside another sign of mine. You know what that means? No, not another Ace of Base song being played in the distance someplace. It means another good listing. And this one's no different. This is 717 Deary Street, and that's in the 4th and Gill neighborhood. For those of you who don't know where 4th and Gill is, it's at the corner of 4th and Gill in Knoxville. This house is listed at $394,700 even. It's got 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2 master suites, and a front door that we shall walk through. Check out this beautiful living room. Very spacious, tall ceilings, lots of natural light, tons of charm. Pretty much has it all. It even has a door. There's a door so you can shut off all your guests and say, stay in that room and don't come and see me, if you'd like that. Also, check out this half bath. Well, no, it's a full bath because there's a huge tub in it. Beautiful floor. Very tasteful. Very well done. Something that's very rare in older homes is a huge master suite. And this one's no different. Very large room in here. Master suite. Believe it or not, that door goes out to a private patio as well. And on top of all that, we've got ourselves a master suite here that's attached to the master bedroom. Gorgeous tile, tasteful. Look at this herringbone floor. I mean, it's herringbone, people. Herringbone. Moving right along. This house does really have a lot of good features, and here's the staircase that goes up to a bonus space and the 3rd bedroom with the 2nd master. Just incredible. Walking along into the dining room now. Formal dining room with an attached bar. Are you kidding me? There's a bar in your dining room? I showed this to my cousin Patrick O'Malley. He's like, well, let's get ourselves a proper pint from that bar right there. And I was like, no, Patrick, it's breakfast. He's like, okay, well then I'll just sit at the table and eat myself a bowl of them Lucky Charms. It's Patrick O'Malley. He's actually from Ireland. My cousin, he's a good guy. Anyway, cruising right along here to the kitchen. Check out this timeless design that they've done on this kitchen. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Fabulous. Very well done. Very tasteful. Very beautiful. 717 Deary in 4th and Gill neighborhood, Knoxville, Tennessee, 37917. This house is listed at $394,700. Come check it out today. Give our team a call, give me a call, give anybody a call. Just come take a look at it. It's pretty great. This is Luke Kendziorski signing off.